don't know who I am Kreationz with Helen. I'm here with another video, and guess where I am at? Colony Square, y'all. And I'm gonna show you a different vibe what they got to show. They have everything for the family, all ages, especially us adults, baby. And if you like what you see, subscribe to me if this is your first time. Hey, and if you already a subscriber, thank you, Kreationz. Let's go check it out. This is my first time actually coming to the Colony Square, and I just found it on a humbug. Really, I did. This place has a vibe. When I say the vibe, it's for the grown and sexy, baby. The older people who likes the twang and a twist. I'm telling you, it's got it all for you. No matter what age you are, it's a vibe. It is. Ever want to do yoga here in Colony Square? They have Colony Square, excuse me.
Colony.
I'm sorry. If you guys ever want to do yoga at Colony Square, they have it every Wednesday from 6 to 7 p.m. It's free, but the only thing you need to bring is your mat. And this is how it looks like. Come on. They have yoga on Wednesdays evening, 6 p.m. All this started last month. When I say last month, it starts from March all the way until October. They have something for everybody. Also, they have the Poet Society, which is on Tuesday evening. Okay? You guys got to check this stuff out. If you love poetry, this is for you guys. They have the open mic, and you know what about the snaps? They got you, okay? And the food is organic and fresh. I mean, even the bathrooms got a little twang to it. I really enjoyed this place. You can take a nice little stroll off the streets. You can walk in different areas. People are very friendly. They even have open restaurants, clothing stores, jewelry. It's got it all for you, baby. It really does. You gotta come check it out so y'all can see what the vibe is all about. I'm sure you would enjoy it as much as I did. So y'all, I'm gonna have to close the video out. If you like what you see, subscribe to me. I am Kreationz with Helen, and thank you for tuning in to my channel. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye.